Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add underline option in the WordPress menu items. Remember one thing, this website is built with Astra theme and Elementor Pro. If you are using any other WordPress theme, then the settings may be a little bit different for you. Now go to dashboard, then here you can see, scroll down, find out appearance, then customizer. Here you can see theme customizer is loading. After that, on the left side you can see all the options for the Astra theme. Make sure that you have installed Astra theme Pro. After that, now we can edit these menus as well as logo and many more. Now here you can see on the left side general tab as well as design tab. Now scroll down. In the design tab, here you can see various options. So now on the top here you can see menu hover style. So now this is overline. Here you can see on the top line. So now select here underline. Now here you can see every menu item has underline when we mouse over on it. So this is how easily you can add this option in WordPress website in Astra WordPress theme. Thank you for watching video.